Hello.
This is me, Walden. Today I am going to show you how to make fried noodles, 炒面. Let's see what the ingredients are. Beans about 300 grams, 2 pieces of egg noodles, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar. I will now put the noodle into the boiling water. 10 minutes cooking is enough for your noodle because we will fry it again later on. After I have taken out the noodle, I am pouring the cold water onto it, and to make my noodle keep firm when you eat it. Before we fry the noodles, I cook the bean sprout first. I will cook it for around 2 minutes and then take it out to be cooking again later on. I will use the same pan to cook my noodle, adding our seasoning, including dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce. And sugar. I will now put the bean sprout back to my noodle, and it almost comes to our final stage. Here is my favorite part, and now I am adding the sesame. They are just like the jumping beans on my noodles. Now my noodles is cooked and done.